Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aklana from level advanced and green category. I am very thankful to Quiz English Language Center that has given me an opportunity to participate in Quiz Scientific World. Dear listeners, today I will talk about the most important parts of human's body, which are called kidneys. First of all, I want to say that what are kidneys? The most important parts of human body, the bean shape and the end which supplies the water or blood in human's body are called kidneys. But today I will tell you the complete system of kidneys. That what are kidneys? These are kidneys and these are tubes which are called ureters. This is urinary and this is urethra. Yes, students, what are the works of these? Kidneys supplies blood and ureters and the work of ureter is passing the water from one place to another. And the work of urinary is to push water to urethra, and urethra's work is to release from body. Today I will tell this all to you in facts and figures. Dear audience, when we drink water, so the water comes to kidneys, and kidneys provide this water to their own places, that how much water it needs, and kidneys take as much water as much useful for them, and other useless waters kidneys send to urinary by the help of ureters. When this useless water comes to urinary, so this water becomes independent here, and this urinary pushes this water to urethra. When this water comes to urethra, so urethra cannot control this water, and urethra helps this useless water release from body. And this such as I will show you this by an activity. Such as we have drank water, and this water came here, as you can see. For example, when we drink water, so the water comes to the kidneys provides, and other useless water comes out. So this was my today's project. I hope you have understood, and thanks for giving me your precious time.